Alright, so this is our Palestinian dark or fig that survived. The rainfalls and the squirrels and everything else we saved it, brought it indoors. It's ready, so we're gonna go ahead and take it off. You can see like how soft it is actually. Like it just falls right off, like you pick it up. So we're gonna break this off. Boom, it just came right off. No sap, no nothing, all good. Let's go ahead and throw it on the scale over here. So what do we do? You know, we need to actually go into grams. 24 grams, so that's not bad. Let's go ahead and cut it open. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut it open. Let's put it over here. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. No, it's not going to be difficult. So hang on, I'm going to put you guys down for 1 second over here. Alright, so we're back. Let's go ahead and do a look at it. Whoa, look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. And you know, to be honest, actually, I'd like my figs a little bit colder, so I'm going to put it in the fridge for a couple of minutes and try it out. Yeah, what am I talking about? Let's go try it out. I'm going to try this one out. Oh, wow. This is absolutely jam. And seed crunch. Nice, decent seed crunch on it also. Absolutely amazing. Highly recommend it. Right, so I found another one. It was hiding, tucked away. Look at this. It's nice. Very squishy. Put this on here. 26 grams, so not bad. Put it over here. Let's see if we can do this again one-handed. Nope, I can't. Hang on. Here we go again. Wow. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful colors on it. But yeah, we're going to put it in the fridge and I'll try it later. But that's it for now.